In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on Slack. That's if you want to add an important extra layer of protection to your Slack account. This is one of the best security settings you can turn on. With 2FA enabled, even if someone somehow gets your password, they still won't be able to sign in without a second verification code from your device. Before you begin, make sure you already have an authenticator app installed on your phone, since that's the recommended option for this setup. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once Slack is open, go to your profile icon. Depending on your layout, this may be in the bottom left area of the sidebar or near the top right corner. Click your profile picture, then choose Profile. If you already see account settings right away, you can click that instead. If you entered through the profile panel, look for the 3-dot More Actions menu underneath your profile name, then select Account Settings. This will open your main account settings page in your web browser, which is where the security options are managed. On the account settings page, scroll down until you find the two-factor authentication section. Then click Expand, or if your screen shows it, click Set up two-factor authentication. At this point, Slack will ask you to confirm your password. This is a normal security step to make sure only you can change your login settings. Enter your current password, then click Confirm Password to continue. Next, you'll choose how you want to receive your verification codes. Slack gives you two options: an authenticator app or SMS text messages. The authenticator app method is the better choice because it's generally more secure and can generate codes even without a mobile signal. Click the option for using an app to continue with the recommended setup. Now open your authenticator app on your phone and tap the plus sign to add a new account. Choose the option to scan a QR code, then point your phone's camera at the QR code shown on your Slack setup screen. If scanning doesn't work, use the option that says you can't scan the barcode and enter the setup key manually into your app instead. Your authenticator app will then generate a rotating 6-digit code. Enter that code into the verification field on Slack and click Verify Code to finish turning on 2FA. After setup is complete, Slack will show you emergency backup codes. This part is extremely important. Save those codes in a secure place, such as a trusted password manager, or print them and store them safely. If you ever lose access to your phone or authenticator app, those backup codes may be the only way to get back into your account. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.